Hey there, moms and dads. Today we're going to review the 4-in-1 alphabet train from vtech baby. Now I got this for my little one who's almost a year and a half. And it's got a lot. Let's see if it's worth the price. Let's check it out together. Playtime. Sit down and play. Ooh, it could be used for walker as well. Nice. And Ted, pull along wagon. Pretty cool. Ooh, 4, ride on it. I think my boy's gonna love riding on it. Learning panel enhances role playing. That's gonna be amazing. Okay, let's open this up. 4-in-1 alphabet train. Oh, that's a lot in here. Take a look. Ugh, so big though. Here we go. Whoa, look at all that. I've got some A for apple, banana, car, and drum. A to D right here. Okay. Uh-oh, this is a lot. But let's put it together. Okay, it didn't come like I thought, but let's see. Let's get all the parts out. Okay, now this one is the giant train. Ooh, pretty cool. Okay. Oh, look at all that. This is so sweet. I think babies are gonna love this. And off we go. Okay. I'm already playing with it, and it's not yet time. It's not fixed yet. And I'm an adult playing with it. I think kids are absolutely going to love it. Let's get all the parts out. This should be the seat. Oh, there we go. Open this up. There. I think I'm gonna need the box to know where to fix all this. And little parts here. More of the alphabets. Okay, time to fix this together. There we go. Should this go here? I think so. There we go. And this goes here. Ooh, we're almost there. Okay. There we go. Oh, it's coming along really good. There. Sit. All done. Let's get this part out. Okay, where are you? There we go. Yep, we've got a circle in here. Snaps really good. And this one. Ooh, perfect. Gonna go in there. Oh, we did it! Whoa, look at that. The train is coming along pretty good. Okay, I need to put in the tires. Where are the tires? Oh, there's one over here. Just a second, I'll grab it. Okay, got it. It's gonna go in here, back here. So just need to snap this in. Easy peasy. There we go. And for this one as well, I'll show you. Put that aligned and snap into place. So easy. Okay, now the other ones, not so sure right now. Ooh, this looks like the handle right here. Or how does it go? Snap it in here. There we go. Ooh, is it facing the wrong side? Looks okay. Okay, now 2 tires done. And for the other tires, we're gonna need this one and this part right here. Snap it in. Oh, I think from this way. There we go. And then into this hole right here. There. I think that's it. And same for the other tires. Okay, now we need to snap this part right in here. There we go. Required a little bit of force, but it's in. Okay, here's the finished product, and my little man really loves it. And this face is just so cute. Yep, it's already playing. I think he's gonna have so much fun with it. Ooh, that is pretty cool. Over here, we've got the lion, so cute. And different numbers here. Okay, let's see what it does. Number 1.
1.
Number 2.
2. Green button.
Nice.
Red button. Blue button.
Really cool music as well. Kids will love it.
Green button. Red button.
Yeah, you see a car? This is actually a train. They're riding the train. And you turn this one around to different levels.
Your bags. Down. Up.
Move this one.
All aboard, it's time to travel.
Wow.
Chugga, 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 off we go.
Nice music. And I love this little piece up here. There you go. Moves the ball around when you pull this lever.
Find the turtle. We are at the school.
Already learning.
We are at the school.
And this is where he's gonna sit. And we've got like a wagon here with different blocks all loaded
All
up.
aboard, can you find the hedgehog?
Okay, I'll show you the other side. Yeah, you like it? You wanna sit down? It's really cool. I love your train. All right, now take a seat.
All aboard, it's time to travel. Chugga, 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 off we go. Don't forget your bag. Don't forget your ticket. Slow down.
And this block's really special. You can place it up here. And it says the letter.
Slow down.
Oh, I really like this spot as well. My baby just reminded me. Okay, now take the block. All right, place it in. Put it in.
All aboard.
Yeah, go ahead. See? And kids can learn how to throw something inside. Yeah, that was fun, wasn't it? Really fun. I really like this aspect. It's just excellent for learning kids. Yep. So all in all, I would say it's pretty good for the price, you know. A lot to learn. Numbers, alphabet, phonics, and also different things like inside, coming out here, all in one. Beautiful toy. Fantastic. And also pleasant to look at. Especially this cute face. Okay. All in all, what the price? Okay guys, another thing you should know is that you can actually relocate this. It looks like a little iPad for children for their learning, baby learning iPod. They learn numbers and everything. But you can relocate it to the top right here. I'll show you. Okay, all you need is this. Okay, push it up and it releases. Then you can take it out. Whoopsie, there we go, got it. All right, this goes to the top right here. Just gonna slide it in here. Easy peasy. So when baby gets on it, my baby's been practicing getting on it. And here it is. Wow, for the comfort of baby to sit and learn. Pretty cool, right? And we can move it to ABC. Right now he's on the train. Move it now.
It's time for a learning journey. Did you ever see a lion?
Pretty cool song. Yeah. And that's the lion riding on the train. Okay. Yeah, the lion says. Rah, good boy. Well done. Let me know what you think in the comment section. I think it's a great buy. Drop your thoughts, and if you have any questions, let me know. Also guys, I'll put a link to the product as well if you're interested. Alright, subscribe for more videos.